Today, we all witnessed a historical day in India's history. As now, we all know, Article 370 along with Article 35A is revoked. So, in this video, we will discuss firstly, what was Article 370 and Article 35A? Secondly, why these two articles of our constitution has been controversial? And lastly, what will be the impact of revocation of these two articles on our state, Jammu and Kashmir? Hello everyone, my name is Meenakshi Sharma and let's start our today's video. Article 370 added in Indian Constitution on 26 November 1949 and now it is revoked on 5th of August 2019 by President Ram Nath Kovind. Article 370 of Indian Constitution used to give a special status to the region of Jammu and Kashmir. It means the state's residents live under a separate set of laws, including those related to citizenship, ownership of property, and fundamental rights, as compared to other Indians. Jammu and Kashmir have a separate set of law. It is exempted from Indian constitution and have its own state constitution. There is no applicability of central legislative powers except defense, foreign affairs and communication. Under this article, the center needs the state government's concurrence to apply any law to the state except, as I told, in defense, foreign affairs, finance and communication. Article 35A is based on Article 370, that was temporary and transitional provision that was included in Indian Constitution on 14th May 1954 by an order of then President Dr. Rajendra Prasad as per the terms negotiated between the leader of Jammu and Kashmir Sheikh Abdullah and our Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Article 35A of the Indian Constitution was an article that empowered the Jammu and Kashmir state's legislature to define permanent residents of the state and also provide special rights and privileges to those permanent residents. Now, let's talk about the controversial issues relating to Article 370 and Article 35A. First of all, it gives a special status to Jammu and Kashmir residents, that is, permanent resident of Jammu and Kashmir, unlike other citizens of India. Union legislative powers were just limited to three areas: defense, foreign affairs, and communication. And apart from this, non permanent residents means a person who is not a permanent resident of Jammu and Kashmir are prohibited from settling permanently in the state, prohibited from acquiring immovable property in Jammu and Kashmir, prohibited from the government jobs in Jammu and Kashmir, prohibited from scholarship, and prohibited from other aids which is provided in the state. Article 35A has been a subject of public debate and controversy ever since it was challenged in the Supreme Court in 2014 on the grounds that it was not added to the Constitution through amendment under Article 368 and never presented before Parliament. Now let's have a look on impact of revocation. As the Government of India revoked Article 370 of Indian Constitution and bifurcated the state into two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, by launching the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill in the Rajya Sabha on 5th of August 2019. Earlier, under this provision, the government could declare an emergency in the state only in case of war or external aggression. But now, the union government could declare emergency on grounds of internal disturbance as well. Earlier, J&K had their own constitution. Because of that, all the provisions of constitution which were applicable to other states were not applicable to J&K. But now onwards, there will be only one constitution, that is Constitution of India, which will be applicable to whole of the India from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Earlier, the government needed approval from the state government for all laws except those relating to defense, foreign affairs, and communication. But now, no approval needed from the state government. Earlier, there were dual citizenship prevails in the J&K. One is Indian citizenship and other is Kashmiri citizenship. Now there will be only Indian citizenship. Earlier, there was Kashmiri flag that prevails or hosted in the Kashmir, but now there will be only one flag, that will be Indian flag, our Tiranga. Earlier, Jammu and Kashmir's area, name and boundary could not be altered without the consent of the state assembly. Soon it will be altered as two different union territories will be formed. So now there is no requirement for the consent or just permission with the state government. Earlier there were special rights and privileges which was given to the permanent citizens of the Jammu and Kashmir, but now it will be like for all the Indians. Earlier, only permanent citizen can buy or own immovable property, but now any Indian can buy a property land in J&K. Earlier, there was denied property rights to a woman married to a person outside the state, but now all the rights will restored. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helped you in a better understanding. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye.